Hello students, today I am going to start new chapter 2, the sentence. Students, as you have learned in your previous class also, what is sentence? Sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. You can't say that a group of words is a sentence unless and until it has a sense. And there are some rules to write a sentence. You see, a sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. That means whenever you write a sentence, your starting letter should be in a capital letter, and when you end the sentence, and you have to put here one full stop. If you are not putting a full stop and not starting with a capital letter, that means your sentence is wrong. This is not correct. Now I'll show you examples. First, see here. Here are group of words. See, I playing cricket enjoy. Is this a correct sentence? Is there any meaning? No, this sentence does not have any meaning. So this sentence is wrong. You can't say this is a sentence. When we will arrange properly, then only it will be a sentence. How we will arrange now? See, I enjoy playing cricket. Here, first capital letter, and in the end we are putting one full stop. Here there was no full stop, so it's wrong. So always we have to start with capital letter and ends with an full stop. This sentence is correct. Now one more example. See, your wishes may all come true. This sentence, this is also a wrong sentence. Now here, see, here there is no full stop. So we will arrange it properly with may, M capital letter, may all your wishes come true. And after finishing, we are putting one full stop here. So this is the correct sentence. This was wrong, this is correct. So I hope how you will arrange this sentence and write a correct sentence. Now there are 4 types of sentences. First we will read about this. Now these sentences, see, first one is assertive sentences, second one interrogative sentences, third one imperative sentences, and fourth one exclamatory sentences. So you will keep in mind that there are 4 types of sentences. These 4: assertive, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Now one by one I will explain all 4 types of sentences. Now see here. First, assertive sentences. Assertive sentences you can say as declarative or a statement also. Here, see, these sentences simply say or state something. They begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. So this is the rule to write a assertive sentence. Now here some examples. We went to Shimla by car. Simply a statement. It is a statement and it begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Now second sentence, see, Gandhiji never lost his temper. Gandhiji, G is capital here, and in the end here one full stop is there. So this type of sentence is called assertive sentences. I hope understood all. Now second one is interrogative sentence. It's a question making sentence. Here, question mark. See, a sentence that asks question is called an interrogative sentence. Asking question like who, why, what, where, when, these are all asking question making. So, first example, who has broken the vase? And here, when you end a question without question mark, your question is not complete. If you are writing simply who has broken the vase without question mark, it's wrong. It's not a question. So, in the end, you have to put the question mark. Second example, see, why did you come late? Again, question mark. Then, what is your name? Here, question mark. Then, where do you live? So, question mark. So, in interrogative sentence, you have to keep in mind that after writing a question, you have to put the question mark. Understood all? Now, next is imperative sentences. Imperative sentence, see what is this? A sentence that expresses a command, request, or an advice is called an imperative sentence. Now, I'll show you few examples. Here, see. First one, don't shout. Someone is commanding that don't shout. So, it's a command sentence. Then, second one, please lower your voice. Please. Please is a request. Please lower your voice. And here, full stop only. After writing this imperative sentence, in the end, full stop. Then third example, see, you should eat healthy. You should eat healthy. It's a advice. Whenever something commanding, requesting, or advising, it's a type of sentence. It is called a imperative sentence. Okay. Now next, to see exclamatory sentence. You know what is the exclamatory mark? This is the exclamatory mark. And now how it is? A sentence that expresses a strong feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. And feeling of what? Happy, joy, sad. These are the strong feeling. Now see few examples. What a lovely performance. If you see a very nice performance and you feel happy, you will say what a lovely performance, and in the end you have to put this exclamatory marks. Whenever you are writing exclamatory sentence, at the end you have to put this. Now second sentence, oh my goodness, I won. With happy, is very happy, so he is telling like, oh my goodness, I won, and at the end exclamatory marks. Now one more example, how sweet of you to say that. Means if something says very nice, then how sweet of you to say that, and at the end this exclamatory mark. So these, I hope you all have understood all 4 types of sentences. These sentences, what were they? Assertive sentence, interrogative sentences, and imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentences. So I hope you all have understood the chapter, the sentence. Once again go through the video, and you will do the exercise work of your book by yourself, and we will send you the answer in the WhatsApp group after doing your classwork. Thank you.